What's up, guys? I'm at the Hampton Convention Center in Hampton, Virginia. I'm at the Hampton Roads Gun Show, SGK Hampton Roads Gun Show, where they got guns of all types, accessories, knives. So I'm about to check this out. Wow, I just had to use the ATM. They only take cash. I usually do my bank ATM or a Wells, what's it called? Wawa, because it's free. I just got $20 out so I could pay admission, and they got charged $5. Bought a new gun, guys. Just bought a new gun. FN. Do the paperwork now.
So I would be like between these two right here. So this is your 365X macro, and then that's your 365XL.
Yeah, I had an XL. That's what I had last time. I had that. And
now, still can put a red dot on it if you want to. But what I like about SIGs, flat face trigger.
Meaning, what does that mean?
So when you think about your shooting, right? Most triggers are.
Get some honey, y'all. Look at that. Live bees.
That's East Coast Honey. That's our company.
Got a new toy. More guns. Wow, more guns.
The dot, I would do the dot for 100, so 240 for everything.
Okay. 240. So what's this one? Is this something different?
This is just a light. That's just a small flashlight.
And the accessories.
Get rid of one of mine to just change to one of these.
Yeah, I'm looking for something. Is the FN. I got me an FN Reflex. Can hold fit 16. And check out this, guys. I got the light with the joint. Look, check this out. Hold up. Check this out. Hold up. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Man, this shit goes yards. You see that light? Yeah, boy. FN. This is a new gun, new handheld with the light. Look at the light. Look at the light. You see that light? Ah, sweet.